Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money? I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Your last record is very different from the others.
Yeah.
Did you stop fighting?
No, but I was at home with my people, so I didn't need to be fighting no more, right? I was in the camp, and there was no war.
What is your special message?
Truth, peace, and love, and music, you know, and liberty. Now, yesterday, there's a war going on. Death is trying to take life, and life is stronger than death. But people believe that death is stronger than life, but we know that life is stronger than death. So life is the road, you know. Well, my life not important to me. Other people's life important. My life is only important if me can help plenty people. If my life is just me, my own security, then I don't want it. My life is for people. That's the way me is. Well, reggae music is a music created by Rasta people. And it carry earth force, people rhythm, like people, you know, it's a rhythm where people working, people moving. They're revolutionaries, you know? You even see myself as a revolutionary who don't have no help and not take no bribe from no one to fight it single-handed with music.
First, I'd like to know, what was the specific motivation for survival?
Well, survival is for survival, you know, in this time, especially going through so much struggle. You know, when you struggle to survive. So we're always in a struggle. And survival is a reality, for we have to survive.